COVID-induced disruptions impacted the Q1 performance of Excel Industries. Now, the company reported a dip in revenue, in profits, as well as margins. In our Ideas for Profit today, I'll discuss whether the stock merits investors' attention, and that is despite the weak Q1 earnings. Well, Excel Industries is a chemical manufacturer. Excel operates through two major segments of chemicals and environmental products. Now, COVID-induced disruption posed a challenging quarter for the company in Q1. Now, the company saw a substantial year-on-year dip in revenue, profit and margins. Chlorpyrifos, which is one of the key products of the company, has been facing oversupply and subdued demand, due to which there has been a price erosion which is impacting realizations. Now, while the company's manufacturing was impacted in the initial phase of the lockdown, plants have been gradually coming back to operation, and that is since mid of April onwards, and the situation has been improving, and Q2 is also expected to be better. Now, the company is involved in the production of chemical intermediates which were largely imported from China earlier. Now, in light of the current situation, many customers have now started to diversify the sourcing to other countries now, and this really works in favor of Excel Industries. Now, the draft proposal by the government includes chlorpyrifos as one of the 27 chemicals under review, which actually may be banned by the government. And now, a ban could pose a substantial challenge for the company if it happens. However, the industry associations have put up a strong representation against the ban, and there is a likelihood of many changes before the final ban actually comes up. But in any regulatory implication on chlorpyrifos, that should be something that needs to be watched for. Now, the company has also been diversifying into other business segments, including pharmaceutical intermediates, specialty chemicals, polymers, and in other say agro, non-agro chemical segments as well. Now, this is in order to reduce the dependence on chlorpyrifos. Now, yellow phosphorus is also one key material for the company's products. The prices of yellow phosphorus remain quite volatile in the past, and sharp price movements could actually impact the company's margins also going forward. Now, the company has a strong, near debt-free balance sheet. This bodes well for the margins as well as provides strength to the balance sheet, which would be positive for the company's expansion plans in the longer term. Now, while the near term is definitely challenging, we quite remain optimistic on the long-term prospects of Excel Industries, and we also see this business as a strong one and a growing one as well. Now, a shift of demand from China also bodes quite well for the company's long-term growth prospects as well. Now, with decent cash and investments in the balance sheet, capital allocation would really define the longer-term course for the company. Also, one can really look to accumulate the stock for the long term.